Tapos eto na, hintayin naman natin ng New Year. So, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-prepare ng New Year. Hindi muna ako nag-clean ng bahay kasi alam ko maraming mga pulbura, powder na magkakalat na naman sa bahay ko. So, New Year is quite threatening. Medyo takot ako pag New Year kasi 3 times nang pumutok ang tubig ko sa ground floor ko and I was so mad. Siyempre, you're sleeping and your water pipe just got burst without you knowing it. Imagine mo yung tubig mo is overflowing while you're sleeping. Diba? Ang sakit nun. Tapos nobody cares or inform you that, oh, your water pipe got burst because of those firecrackers. So ngayon,